I just found all these bulbs on discount. Tulips at the hardware store, January, 60% off. How awesome is that? It's January, and we're lucky enough to have a spring thaw, basically. So I really hit gold now that I can plant these bulbs directly into the ground so they have their cold chill period. So when you're planting a landscape of any flower, any size, remember, the big wow factor is in mass. Same plants, but a lot of them. When you're planting tulips, you usually put 9 bulbs to a square foot. I'm only planting 5 because I want them to crowd in later. I don't need that many flowers in one spot right away. If you've never planted a tulip bulb, the big side goes down and the pointy side goes up. This is where your flower's gonna come, while this right here is roots. But if you see here, you have another little tulip bulb growing. So this plant eventually will go into multiples. So when you're planting tulips, you wanna go 5 inches deep. Many garden trowels will have numbers on them. These are inches and some of them have millimeters. Certain plants require certain depths. So we're going to make a hole 5 inches deep. And I'm not even going to pull the soil out. I just wiggled it around in there. And I am going to push the bulb down and cover. After you open all the bulbs, it's nice to put them where you want. This is your plan, kind of helps you to see it in your mind's eye. Keep in mind, flowers bloom at different rates and at different seasons. These guys will bloom in mid-spring. That's perfect for this area because there's nothing that blooms in that amount of time. I have things that bloom in late July, things that bloom in August, but nothing for spring. So this is going to be very nice. But keep that in mind to get an overall landscape view.